The tail. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your finger, and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn over the hook and flap loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 4 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch is stored as a height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 4 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and flap loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape is formed on the side. Place a marker in the first stitch. Through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. For V shapes on the side, stand for 4 single crochets. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set of 1 single crochet or increase twice. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through the loop on the hook. The chain stitch is stored as a height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as one set. We'll work the first stitch in the stitch where we just worked the snip stitch of last round. Pay attention to the needle. The hook should go through both loops of the stitches. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Place a marker in this single crochet through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. In the next stage, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stage. First, work 1 single crochet in the next stage. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stage. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished once it is done. The second set, work 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Two sets are done. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The snip stitch serves as a connection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 2 is done. Make some adjustments. Turn the fabric. This is the front of the fabric. This side with the yarn tail is the back of the fabric. Turn the fabric. Cut off this short yarn tail. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 single crochets. Place a marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. 6 crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done.